We all know that our minutes in the building are precious and that it pays to be efficient. Google offers a tool that I have found to help me be more efficient, and it's called Google Keep. Google Keep is an extension that Google has built in as a default. This light bulb icon is Google Keep, and you can access it in slides, docs, spreadsheets, and emails, basically all of the Google G Suite for Education applications that we have. You can see here that I'm in a blank document and that the light bulb icon is on the right of my screen. If you can't see the light bulb icon, you may need to click this caret down here to expand the options, and then you should be able to see it. Once you open it, you'll basically have the equivalent of an electronic post-it note system. Here you can see a few of the notes that I have in my Google Keep. Now I've switched over to email, and you can see I've got Google Keep open and email as well. And Google Keep is where I keep things like frequently used emails. So here you'll see that I've got a tardy email template. Rather than having to retype the same email over and over, I typed it once, and then every time I need to send a message to parents, I just copy and paste the message from my Google Keep into the email address. I also like keeping a to-do list here as well, especially as I travel to multiple places throughout the building. I can just add to it without needing to carry around a notebook or post-it or something to write with. I like to keep the GLF link in here too. You may have other links that you access frequently, and rather than bookmarking them, maybe you use them just temporarily. Maybe they're connected to a unit or a project you're working on. So Google Keep is a handy place to keep some of those links without bookmarking them. I also use Google Keep to keep track of formative notes. So while I'm grading student essays or reading something for feedback, I'll pop this open and keep track of common patterns that I see in the class, and then I use those notes to guide my next instruction or feedback to students. Another cool feature of Google Keep is that students also have access to their very own Google Keep. They use the same light bulb icon and same note system as we have available to us in our Google Keep. So this can be a helpful tool for organizing students. Like, say there's been a student who's been absent for several days and needs to create a prioritized list of what they should be working on. They can do that right in Google Keep. And then a cool feature, if you're using it for that purpose, is that collaborators can be added to any note. So a student with a Let's Get Me Caught Up plan could add both you and their parents to that note. And then you could see their progress as they click things off their to-do list. If you open Google Keep, type your notes, and then are annoyed at the real estate it takes up on your screen, you can always click the X in the corner and it will go back to being hidden. There are many good uses for Google Keep beyond the few that I've shared here. Hopefully this is a good organizational tool and can be used to save you some time in the future.